So you guys can see, we're waiting on some big major moves here. We can get a really strong move on a lot of altcoin trades. So I have a bunch of trades open with USDT pairings, like this BNB trade, right? In theory, with my IchEMA model, I have the 55 and the 99 EMAs protecting my stop loss. I can probably enter right now and risk 1.75%. I'm already in a trade from down here. It's a risk-free trade. My stop loss is at my entry price, so it's completely risk-free. I can't take a loss. Knowles, we had a trade last night. I showed you guys, which is already up. If you guys got into it, the initial trade was risking, what was it, like 1.5%, and then this was an example where it was 2.8, but the overall trade was very low risk. It was sitting right on top of major support, and we're already up a little bit. You can move your stop loss up to your entry price and be completely risk-free on this trade now. I wouldn't. I like to keep it down a little bit and take on risk a little bit longer to give me some time to move up so I don't get prematurely stopped out on a little wick down. But the 55 EMA has done an amazing job of supporting us so far. That's one of my major IchEMA dynamic supports. So it wouldn't be a terrible idea to just move your stop loss up now to your entry. It's good to have a completely risk-free trade. It's a relief. And it feels good knowing that no matter what happens, you can't possibly take a loss. Let me just really quickly show you BTC. BTC is a perfect example of my IchEMA model in full effect. 55 EMA has given us a ton of support. It was giving us a lot of support on this red candle till it failed and we dropped down to the 99. Now we're back up on top of the 55. So from this point up, if we were to move up nicely, it could represent a massive run on our altcoin trades. We need to break up above the short-term breakout target. If you remember that from my video yesterday, we hit it perfectly. We came back up and got rejected from it, so it is a really strong resistance right now. If we can break through that resistance, that's the key. If we get up above 41.20, I'm making 20% profit on at least a couple trades. Keep an eye out for that. That's what we're looking for. We need to move up from here. If we fail and get back down below this support and we fall below 40.25, we're in trouble, and we might end up getting a much deeper correction here.